All right, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about cheap ways that you can furnish your property. Yes, you can furnish your midterm rental or your corporate rental in some very cheap ways. And I'm going to show you a few ways that you can do that, okay? All right, so here we go. All right, so one way that I furnish my property is going to a furniture rental company, right? So I look in my local area to see what furniture rental companies are in the area. So when I say furniture rental companies, I am not talking about like a rent-a-center or something like that. I'm talking about companies that rent furniture or it's commercial furniture to companies for a certain term, which is usually 1 year or longer. And then once that furniture is returned back, they resell it at a very deep discount. This is how I get all of my furniture for my corporate rentals, okay? So as you can see on the screen, we have Empire Furniture Rental. This is a local company in my area. I'm not sure if they have have locations in other states or cities, but definitely here in St. Louis. But there are other companies that are nationwide, but this is one that is local for me. So Empire is where I actually bought furniture for my last two properties. They gave me great discounts, and I was even able to find TVs, flat screen TVs for like $35 a piece. And these were like 40-inch TVs. Okay, so these were nice size TVs. They were not smart TVs. That's why they were selling them. But all I had to do was go buy a Fire Stick and make it a smart TV. So you can get a Fire Stick or a Roku and turn it into a smart TV. So you can't pass up those type of TVs for $35, right? I actually got four of them, and that's all I needed for my property, and they've been working out wonderfully, right? So let me just kind of show you Empire Furniture Rental. So as you can see here, they have rent by piece. So you can rent certain pieces of furniture, like maybe a dining room table or a living room, a couch, or something like that. They have rent by package, and then they have buy furniture, okay? So I am going to look at buy furniture. And this is where they will post everything they have available at this current time. Now, with them, you do have to make an appointment to go view the furniture, but it's fine, right? So, as you can see just from looking at some of these pictures, they have some decent furniture here, right? Um, so, let's take a look at this one because this is something that I probably would actually buy for one of my properties. But as you can see here, this looks very nice. Okay. So they're going to tell you what all they're selling in that package. Usually it's going to be the couch and the chair. And then the tables would be separate, but it's still a very good price. So let's take a look. So this sofa set is $499. Now you just saw the picture. Pretty nice, right? For $499. And you're getting the sofa and the chair. Okay, so we scroll down a little bit. I actually have this sofa, and I have a chair to go with it. So they're selling this sofa for $299. Not bad. And again, this is really a really nice sofa, very comfortable. I have it in one of my properties. So let's take a look at dining room. Okay, so for the dining room, they have tables and chairs. So for just a regular table, 135, 140. Bar stools they have here for $29, $89 for two. Okay, so just depending on what you're looking for in your style, you can kind of look through here and see what you like. Let's go to bedroom sets because I've also bought my bedroom sets from here. And you get a three-piece bedroom set for $189. Let's look at it. All right. So this is not something that I would probably put in my personal house, not my style, but it's definitely not bad for a midterm rental. Okay. All right. And it doesn't have a few scratches, which is probably why it's discounted, but still not a bad set. Okay. We have another three-piece here for $259. So with this three-piece, you get the dresser, the chest, and it looks probably like the mirror. Okay. So again, not a bad set. Now, what I do is if I have a two-bedroom, I would not put both of these in one bedroom. I will put the dresser in one bedroom and I would put the chest in another bedroom. Another hack for you to furnish your property a little bit cheaper, because people don't need an entire set of furniture in a midterm rental. So my corporate rentals, I just have a chest or a dresser and one nightstand. Sometimes I might have two nightstands depending on what I can find. Okay. But this is just a example of how you can find some nice quality, cheap furniture. Remember, this is commercial grade furniture. They also have electronics, as I talked about earlier. So let's see what they have available, because I bought some TVs from them. And yes, they still have some TVs. They actually have a 37-inch HD TV for $30. So not sure how many they have, but hey, you could pick it up and put it in a bedroom, but that is still a deal, $30 for a 37-inch TV. So another way is to go to Facebook Marketplace. And I know you probably heard about this, but I just did a really, really quick search for living room furniture in my area. And this is what came up. Now, some of these are going to be people who are selling furniture privately themselves, and some of these ads are going to be from actual businesses. So, for example, this one looks like a business. Let's click on it and see what it says. Okay. So this one has 2 accent chairs, a couch, 2 lamps, 2 end tables, and 1 coffee table, as well as a rug. I'm trying to see what exactly they're charging. Oh, so $700 for the entire living room set. So that's everything I named. The 2 accent chairs, 1 couch, 2 lamps, 2 end tables, and a coffee table for $700. And as you can see from this picture, that does not look like bad furniture. That is decent furniture for you to put in your midterm rentals or your corporate rentals. So that's one example. Let's keep looking just a little bit more, just to get another idea. So this looks like maybe it's a private owner, a sectional here. But this sectional does not look too bad. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. They are selling this sectional for $100. So if you have a nice size living room in your property, this could be something you can put in that living room. Or if there's a family room or something, this is something you can put there for just $100 for the entire sectional. So again, there are ways for you to furnish your property on a budget. Now, another one I want to take a look at is OfferUp. So again, this is in my area within 30 miles of the St. Louis area. And these are going to be companies as well as individual sellers. So as we can see here, this clearly is a company, right? So I'm going to click on it just to see. So they have a sectional for $39. Now, I don't know the quality of this sectional because it says it's new. I'm imagining it might not be that comfortable, but it's worth checking out if you want to go to the store and just see how it feels and what else they might have. But $39 for a sectional, right? All right, let's keep looking. So this is different. It looks like this is probably a store, but it is a couch for $400. So it's an option. It's a different color, but you can definitely, it could be a statement piece, and you can tone it down a little bit with some pillows and accent chairs, and it could be something very nice for a corporate rental or midterm rental. So that's just another example. All right, so I just gave you 3 options where you can go out there and search for furniture and find things that are very reasonably priced if you are on a certain budget. Now, we're all going to be on a budget when it comes to our businesses and how we furnish our midterm rentals or our corporate rentals. But those are some ways that you can find some great quality things at a discounted price. Now, again, I typically go straight to the furniture rental companies and just buy the furniture from them because it's easier for me. Um, I don't want to go searching around the internet a whole lot and trying to find furniture in different sites and go picking things up. And I don't have time for that. So with the furniture rental company, I just strictly go to the store, see what they have. And there are multiple ones in my area, so I can go to more than one. I can go to one, see what they have, pick out what I want, check it off my list, have it delivered, go to the next store, see what they have, fill in the blanks of what I still need. If they have it, I'll get it from them. And then that's pretty much how I do things. And then I'll also go to Amazon and order like maybe my beds, and have those delivered as well. So just the bed frames with the headboards and things like that. So that's pretty much how I do it, because that's the easiest for me. Again, I know you can probably find some cheaper things on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp and some other sites, but you probably would have to go pick those things up, get a truck or rent a van or rent something to get those things, have somebody help you. Like, I just don't have time for it. I don't have the time or energy. I'm all about ease and flow, and that is what I want. Stuff to be delivered. I want to sit there at my scheduled time and tell them where to put it. And that's it. And I don't have to worry about anybody helping me, because usually it's me by myself doing these things when I'm setting up a property. So, again, I hope that helped you guys. Now, I do have a free download below, so make sure you check out the description and pick up the free download I have down there. I don't know what it is this time. It could either be the lease addendums, or it could be the shopping list, whatever it may be. Just check below for whatever free download I have for you guys. Also, I do have a online course that you could take if you want to learn about starting your own midterm rental business. It's a self-study course, so you can check that out if you're interested in that and getting some information about it. The link for that is below. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, my link for those sessions are below as well. And if you want to talk to me about midterm rentals because you're interested in getting into the business and you want to possibly work with me in the future on getting yours started, again, that free consultation link is going to be below as well. So, all right, I will talk to you guys later. Remember to like and subscribe this video so you can continue to watch more videos about my midterm and corporate rentals. Talk to you later. Bye.